Hi Preeti,
Hello, sir.
please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
Thank you. So Preeti, why did you choose this workshop?
Because I want to work in IT sector, so I need some
Mhm,
knowledge regarding this. So
mhm.
I chosen this field.
Okay, so which makes you to choose IT sector?
So the way the IT sector people work,
Mhm.
and I have the enthusiasm to work like them. So this make me to choose this field and work through it.
Sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
So what are the challenges you observed while taking this workshop?
The challenges that I feel that we has to go through it, that is we need to go through the projects, we need
Uh-huh.
to work hard, we have a collaboration with the team members, we should have hold the patience whenever we have a rectification over there, we should
Mhm.
keep calm and go through it.
So it seems that you have a lot of patience.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the abbreviation of SDLC and STLC?
SDLC means software development lifecycle,
Mm-hmm.
STLC means software technical lifecycle.
Good. So what will happen in SDLC?
In SDLC there are seven phases:
Mm-hmm.
initial, analyze,
Mm-hmm.
design, development, testing, production, and patience.
So what type of designing available in SDLC?
There are two fields of high level and low level.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
So what is an agile workflow?
In agile workflows, there have nine phases. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
nine phases. In the nine, first one is PO sign in.
Mm-hmm.
Second one is refinement call.
Mm-hmm.
Third one is ready for dev.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one is dev in progress. Fifth one is paid review.
Mm-hmm.
Sixth one is ready for QA. Seventh one is QA in progress.
Mm-hmm.
Eighth one is PO sign off.
Mm-hmm.
Ninth one is closed data.
You seems to be so nervous. Have a water.
No, sir. Thank you.
Good. So which work is best for SDLC? SDLC or agile workflow?
I feel SDLC, sir,
Why?
because it's quite easy. Both have the same scenarios,
Mm-hmm.
but it's quite easy coming to SDLC.
That's
Coming
good.
to SDLC, there is some technical force will involve.
Correct. So what are the roles of a scrum master in a project?
Scrum Master, where first we need got a project from the client where BA will
Mm-hmm.
be the person who communicate with that, and between the Scrum Master has a work. These three people will communicate with each other, and then we'll go for a meeting for the other people.
Okay. So what is the difference between Android and iOS devices?
Android, which we usually use, and iOS is nothing but the iPhone.
Mhm. So, do you know about database?
Yes, sir.
So, can you explain, please?
Database nothing but where the information where the company want to store is a
Mhm.
place is database where they
Mhm.
have a secret and data information they
Mhm.
store in database.
So, let's jump on the out of the box. So,
Okay,
what are your
sir.
hobbies?
My hobby is singing and watching dramas and movies. So,
Okay. So, who is your favorite actor?
sir, I watch K and C dramas, so there is no one favorite nothing like that. I just want I
So, you just
like.
watch the movies, irrespective of the actor and irrespective of the.
So I watch few movies in foreign peoples and
Uh huh.
also the Bollywood.
Uh huh.
But coming to Bollywood, all are like equals to me. There is no one that I like most. No one is that. I don't want to do partiality.
So, what's your favorite Hollywood actor?
Johnson.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, which movie you saw recently?
Actually, I like the facial expressions and all things, but I didn't watch the movie. I'm surely going to watch.
He's your favorite actor and you didn't watch
But
any movie?
but I like I have a passion to watch horror movies, but
Sounds interesting.
thank you, sir. I have a
Uh-huh.
passion to watch horror movies,
Uh-huh.
so till now I didn't find any movie like that to John. So I eagerly waiting if we do any
Mhm. So, what is the meaning of a GUI?
graphical user interface.
Good. So, what is the difference between front end and a database team?
Front end work before the application. They can
Mhm.
be easily seen by people,
Mhm.
like but whereas backend or database they work uh, uh, behind that application. They won't be not that seenable by people.
So they won't see. They
Yes,
won't. They are invisible people.
not invisible. Like the public cannot see them.
Okay.
They work.
So even for the front end people, also public cannot see them, right?
They won't seeable, but they work and seeable by the public users
How?
because the work they do they can be shown. Like for example, you take a Swiggy,
Mhm.
the food which was we can see the biryani or etc. stuffs that was created by the front end people. So their work can be shown by the end users, whereas the back end and database won't be seen.
Good, good. So, uh, who will do the unit testing?
Unit testing was done by
Yeah, unit testing will be done by the developers
developers.
because you said that the front end people
Yes.
who will develop the application,
Yes.
so they will do the unit testing.
Unit testing.
Okay. So, how many scenario? So, let us take. What's your favorite food?
Biryani, sir.
Obviously.
Yeah.
So, people who born and brought up in Hyderabad,
They will surely have the.
sure. So, have you ever ordered? Of course, you might be ordering almost 100 times
Yes.
in the Swiggy.
Not 100 times, but yes,
Mhm.
I have an experience of work, doing order in Swiggy.
Mhm.
So I have gone through it.
So, can you explain how will you place an order in Swiggy and what are the phases you observed?
Yeah, there will be so many phases. In that, I will tell some of
Yeah,
them.
sure.
First one is installation,
Mhm.
login,
Mhm.
search, select, add to cart, then addressing, payment, getting the successful alert, then tracking, OTP, the food will be in our home, deliver.
And then the biryani in the plate.
Great.
So, can you tell me any suggestions that can be improved while placing an order in Swiggy?
So I
How you
think
feel that? So, sometimes you may feel some irritation. Yeah, what is this?
this.
Some thought
So
might be.
the thing I have observed that sometimes in weekends, everyone will prefer to have a biryani in their plates, right? So
Exactly.
a lot of people order at a time,
Mhm.
but the Swiggy people unable to deliver the order on a time. They will ask forgive us. They have taken a lot of time. This type of message authentication we can see in our phone. That thing I don't want because
Mhm.
they have that much of people and thing for them, so that they are quite ready whenever the people want. They should get the delivery at a time. Some people get irritation that I am not getting the food at a time, so some people quietly they will cancel the food. So that thing should not be happening.
Seems you faced a lot of problem like that while
Yes.
you are hungry and the biryani is showing as 1.5 hour
Yes.
delivery. Eh?
This will happen.
So, what solution will you suggest for that?
For that, I think that they should provide a correct punctuality with them.
Mm-hmm.
And this is not the technical issue as I feel. There is a
Correct.
problem with the people in front of them. Like they has to provide equal staff members to prepare a food and equal delivery partners as well. They also shows that the delivery partner is not available. So should have adequate people to go through it.
Exactly. Seems you have a very creative and innovative mindset, Preeti.
Thank you, sir.
So, what is the full form of RCA?
RCA. Sorry, sir, I don't have an adequate knowledge regarding this.
See, RCA means you said that. Let us take an example. The problem you mentioned in the Swiggy. So, due to lack of staff, the delivery time is getting too late.
Yes.
So, you identified some solution for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, the problem also you identified.
Yes, sir.
So, that is called root cause analysis, right?
Yes.
So, that's simply
Yeah.
everyone doesn't matter what's the terminology, but the concept, whatever you said, is exactly matching to that. Very good.
Got it, sir.
So, how many types of healthcare domains are available?
Three, sir.
What are those?
Doctor appointment,
Mhm.
laboratory experience, and equipments.
So, you seems to be in the IT sector and as well as in the hospitality also.
Mhm.
Very good. Uh, Coming to few more questions.
So
So, how was the workshop in Techqflow?
it was very good. So the environment is very enjoyable for me.
Mm-hmm.
I have learned a lot of things in this Tech
Mm-hmm.
and Flow. So I
Mm-hmm.
really want to thank Tech and Flow.
Thank you very much. So, people like you will create a very good stuff for us so that we can conduct more number of workshops and some technical things I just want to discuss with you.
Sure.
So, who will write the code in the software company?
Developers.
Okay. So, which developer will write the code in the IT? Sorry, where the developers will write the code in the IT company?
In front end, sir. They'll write.
Exactly. Yeah. So, how many types of testings will do by a tester?
Uh, Usually there are two types of testing in there in two fields, manual and automation. In
Mhm.
there they do n number of testings so that the public should not face any type of problem.
Good. So, how many type of environments are there?
Five, sir.
What
Five
are
stages.
those?
Local, QA, sorry, local, development, QA, staging, production.
Very good. So, could you please explain about banking domain?
Sure, sir. Banking domain, in this, the financial transaction will take place and
Mhm.
fixed accounts and the current will take place over there.
So, how many times you withdraw the money from the ATM?
And has much use I want, like I can go through it.
Without saying your dad.
No, that will be not possible, sir.
Sometimes that funny thing should happen in the life.
Till now, I didn't experience.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Sounds great.
Because I'm
So
quite like punctual with my dad and everything.
that should
Constant
be,
family.
that has to be. As a daughter, you have to be
Yes.
sincere with your daughter,
Yes.
your dad. So it's a nice talking to you, Preeti.
Same, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.